Dear students, welcome to 10th standard biology class. Today we are going to learn about single and double circulation and lymphatic system. First topic is single and double circulation. In some animals, blood circulates only one time through the heart in one complete cycle. It is called single circulation. For example, in fish, the heart has one atrium and one ventricle only. The deoxygenated blood returns from the body enter into atrium and pumped out by the ventricle to the gills, where the blood is oxygenated and then the oxygenated blood is taken to the parts of the body. Finally, deoxygenated blood from all the parts of the body reaches the atrium. So, blood circulates only one time through the heart in one complete cycle in fish. Then, what is double circulation? When the blood circulates twice through the heart in one complete cycle, it is called double circulation. For example, in human, during pulmonary circulation, the right ventricle sends deoxygenated blood to the lungs, where it becomes oxygenated and returns back to left atrium. During systemic circulation, left ventricle sends oxygenated blood around the body, and then from all parts of the body, deoxygenated blood returns into right atrium. Thus, blood circulates twice through the heart in one complete cycle. The second topic of this session is the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is an organ system in vertebrates, that is the part of circulatory and immune system. Lymphatic system comprises of one lymphatic capillaries, lymphatic vessels, lymphatic nodes and lymphatic ducts. Capillaries supply 20 liters of blood to the surrounding tissue every day. Out of 20 liters, 17 liters of the blood is reabsorbed by the blood vessels. Remaining 3 liters of fluid present in the intercellular spaces is called interstitial fluid. This interstitial fluid enters into lymphatic capillaries as lymph. Lymph is the fluid that flows through the lymphatic system. It contains bacteria, waste products, and proteins. Lymph drains into lymphatic capillaries and flows through the lymphatic system. From lymphatic capillaries, lymph enters into lymphatic vessels. Lymph then passes through lymph nodes. These lymph nodes are small, oval, or pear-shaped structures located along the length of lymphatic vessels. Lymph nodes filter out unwanted materials such as bacteria and damaged cells. From lymphatic nodes, lymph passes into lymph ducts. Finally, lymphatic ducts take lymph into veins to return to main blood circulation. What are the main functions of lymph? Lymph supplies nutrition and oxygen to those parts where blood cannot reach. Lymph carries absorbed fats from small intestine to the blood. The lymphatic capillaries of intestinal villi absorb digested fats. Lymph drains away or remove excess of tissue fluid and metabolites and returns proteins to the blood from tissue space. Lymphocytes in the lymph defend the body against the infections. Lymphocytes present in the lymphatic nodes engulf or destroy the bacteria. During the infections, the lymphatic nodes produce lymphocytes and send them into the blood through the lymphatic ducts. Thank you, students. We can meet in next class.